Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Huawei Matepad 2022. So, firstly you need to remember the one rule. So now I use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the charging mechanism. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So, as you can see, in my USB charging port is that dirt that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So, cool. Firstly, you need to take the cover off. And take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and try to pry the dirt out. So, cool, that's it. USB charging port is clean and cool. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.